How to create and manage packages. Log in as the business owner and use the left side menu to go to Business Setup Packages. We're going to add a new package using the top right button. And to begin, we can enter the package name. We may then enter the price and the number of sessions, as well as an expiry date. We can disable the package expiry date by using the switch and then save our selections. Over here, we can then select which service this package will apply to and then select Done. And now we've created a package. We can manage the package using the three dots menu under Actions, but to edit, we can click the pencil button next to that. Over here, we can see the package details, like the package name, the price, and the number of sessions. We can enable and disable the package using the top right button. We can view the package results by clicking the tab and then assign the package to a specific client. Sam Keith now has that package applied to their account. We can manage the package for Sam Keith by clicking the pencil button and view the total number of sessions, when it expires, how much the price was, and the appointment records. Packages can be redeemed by any staff with calendar access. On the calendar, book an appointment for the Sam Keith client that has the package assigned. Select the service that was assigned to the package. You can clearly see which one it is by the package name on the right, and the package will be automatically selected for you. We can then press Save, and now the appointment has been booked with the package applied. We can click the appointment to manage. We can see the laser hair removal package in there as well. We're going to navigate to the POS, and then we'll be able to observe the laser hair removal service with the package discount applied. We're going to navigate back to the packages page. And now we can see that there was one sold record. And we can go back to the package records page and see the Sam Keith record. And then we can go inside the record to see where the appointment is, as well as the remaining sessions. Please contact us at support@yocale.com or use the chat symbol for more help.